All right, well, as you can see, I tried using the hair dryer. This ice is a little thicker. It's gonna take a little longer, so I had to, if you guys are fortunate enough to have an alternate dryer, heater, go ahead and use that. It's gonna take a little longer for me to get this out of there. See, it's not coming out, and I don't want to mess up the little gray thingies there, which I don't know what they're called, but I got to get this out, and I got to get that out because the wire runs behind there, and all the wiring runs up to here. You take this out, unplug it up there, and you reconnect the other one. So right now, I'm gonna stop this thing while I let the little dryer or heater, I keep saying dryer, I let the heater do its thing. As you can see, the water's dripping, or the ice is melting, turning into water. Then the water's dripping down onto the towel. So I won't get a lot of extra water in that drain plug down there. And the towel is soaking that up, which is good. But I'm just worried about this. But we can see it slowly while I'm talking to you. We can see it, getting away here and here. So it won't be too much longer, but no need in me recording that. So I'm going to stop that. I'm going to stop the recording, and I'll be back when I can.